How to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. So in order to buy Bitcoin in Coinbase, first thing first, you'll have to log in into your Coinbase account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home page where you need to tap on the trade button, and after that you'll need to click on buy. Once you tap on the buy button, it's going to take you to the other interface that looks something like this. Now here what you'll have to do is you need to enter in the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy. So enter in the amount and select the asset type also. And under it, you'll need to select what you actually want to buy. So in my case, I'm buying Bitcoin, and you'll need to make sure that you have already linked your bank account before you buy any of the bitcoins or cryptocurrencies. So select pay with and then link your bank account as well. And once you've done that, click on preview buy, which is located right at the bottom. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you need to confirm all of your details information. So review all of the information and click on buy now, located right at the bottom. So after you've done that, it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you that you've successfully purchased the amount of bitcoins, and that's basically how you can buy Bitcoin in Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.